Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add projects in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just be in Todoist, and when you're gonna be here, what you want to do is just simply click here on projects and add a project. And right here you're gonna see project name. So you just want to add it like Marcus Stone. Now you have option to change the project color. And then you're gonna see list or board here. We can actually change that. So if you want to have it as a board or list, and click add. And then you can also like view it as a board, name the section. And yep, that's pretty much it. So, and I just add task here. And voila. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, goodbye.